Hi, it's Judy. Welcome. Today we have a Mickey monthly box to unbox. So if you want to see what's in it, keep watching. Okay, now I do want to show you the mailman or whoever delivers these was not kind to this box. I really hope that it didn't damage anything that was inside, but let's break the seal and let's see what we got here. I love their boxes. I love what all it says and everything. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Never grow up. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. Here's what's in here. I see something green. I'm not really a green person, but this isn't what was green. New part. Give you a close-up of that. Oh, I've really missed Halloween at Disney World this year. Oh, that's great. I love these treats. Okay, if you were watching my videos earlier this week, you saw that my other subscription box, I got these same socks. So I guess I have 2 pairs of Maleficent socks. Peanut butter banana milk chocolate bar. This is something that will be going to my husband or my youngest daughter. Unfortunately, it looks really good, but I'm allergic to bananas. I know it's a strange allergy to have, but I actually am allergic to bananas. Though I love bananas, and that looks wonderful. This is the Hidden Mickeys of Walt Disney World. I'm hoping this is an updated version. This is 2016. I have an older one, but this one will be good. Well, I'm glad that nothing was damaged in the box. There was nothing actually to damage in the box, so that is good news. This is actually the last Mickey monthly box that we'll be getting for a while. I canceled the subscription. You can't just put it on hold, apparently. You have to actually go ahead and cancel the subscription because the holidays are coming up and then we have a trip to Disney. So I kind of wanted to put the money towards that instead of a subscription service. I still have the other subscription services, but Mickey Monthly took one for the team. Sorry about that. This is a smaller box. This was a $50 box as opposed to, I think the other box is an $80 box. And I kind of felt for what I was spending, I wasn't getting, but I love the fact that all this stuff comes straight from the parks. So, I don't know. I'll have to reevaluate and rethink it come April. Our trip is in March, so I'll rethink it in April. I will put the link to Mickey Monthly below if you like what you've seen and you want to subscribe. They are good subscription services. They have different levels, which I really like. Like I said, this is a $50 box. The months before I was getting, it was either $70 or $80, so you can switch it around. I really wish they had an option where you could put your subscription on hold. That would be cool. But it is what it is. You can always go in and resubscribe. Until next time, I hope you have a magical day. Get out there and do something great. Bye.